Andy.
Did you find a grandpa blanket?
Somebody found my grandpa blanket. Grandpa blankets are the best. Look, it's a gorilla and a little rock.
It's a pebble. Oh, jeez.
What was that?
I don't know what it is. Oh, it's that dinosaur.
Apparently, diamond armor is $1.40. Steve, $8.44. Diamond armor, $9.84.
You know, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like that is not proportionate to the amount of work that goes into acquiring the diamonds to make the diamond armor.
I mean, all I'm saying is we could probably buy diamond armor for $1.44, break it apart, and use all the diamonds for $5.
That's the spot that the camera works.
I was listening to your I think I just choked on one of those penne.
Hank, you don't belong in there. You can't even eat any of that stuff. You're a cat. That's right. Go away. So I am approximately 2 seconds into playing Spyro, and I think I broke him.
In case you're curious how our workday went, do you see that desperate look of helplessness? I feel that feel, Spyro.
She's waiting for love to be read.
Stay close. Dear Garuba, it's been a while since my last letter, and I'm sure that I have offended you, and that is why you have made the days so cold. But I'm writing you now, and I'm asking you please warm up the world, Garuba. We are sad and cold.
It's cold outside. Why did you only wear a sweater? So you brought a coat, complained about it being cold, and you're not wearing the coat.
I just meant cold in general. Like right now, I'm actually not that cold.
I wore insulated socks, a flannel layer, and a coat. That was like one of my big motivators for moving back home, was like seasons.
There was a fall.
For like 15 minutes. And when the sun
Ooh, a
comes up,
donut truck. Oh wait, that's not a donut.
that's not the short school bus? Did you think it was full of donuts?
No, there was a thing that was going in the thingy that goes over us where people pass us.
The overpass?
Yeah.